Mom, make your own account, like I said. Make your own account. Don't make me sad if you don't like anything you wanna be. Like,
I don't have account.
right. Okay. What does that even mean? Are you doing Spanish?
Hindi ako nagsasabi ng Spanish. Tagalog ako. Kaya,
Oh.
hindi ako Spanish. Ako ay Tagalog. Ako ay Pilipino. Ako ay Pilipino! May dugong Pinoy!
Someone sing it.
Pinoy na may dugong Pinoy. Ayaw!
Answer me.
What?
Answer is red. How are you supposed to say the song?
Just make me
Up. I'm gonna play, and don't worry, Mama's gonna be here to stick it on out. Trust me, Mom.
Kinauto ko ni mo po na eh. Para mag-play sa
Okay. That's fine.
Well, okay, it's fine. Do you understand what I said?
Yeah.
What I said?
Not telling them the secret.
Oh!
Please, can you play?
No! Hindi ko siyang work.
After you do your work, can you please play? Mom, if you don't play, I'll be crazy and then cry on your shirt everywhere. Like crazy. And if you don't play with me, I'll be sad. But I have no one to play with, and all of the other ones are mean.
They're mean?
Yeah, all of them, but some. I have friends who are nice, but I can't find. Look at my friends, but I need more friends like you.
I don't have account.
Mom, make your own account. You could pick anything you wanna be. Like,
I don't have account.
Mom, make your own account. Like I said, make your own account. Don't make me sad if you don't play. Please, just play. Maybe it's just walking into your dad and we'll have to wait for your membership, but you don't have to be a member. You don't have to. You're already special. You're mine. You're my little sweetie. I love you so much. I can even cry.
You're making me so
sad.
If I don't play with you,
I'll cry all over your shirt and be sad and cry alone with no you and I will say leave me alone when you don't play with me. Some of my friends are here, but all of my
you can play with your friend.
Oh, Mom, I don't like these friends. They say you're ugly when I talk to
Really?
them. Yeah.
So how do you know? You can read what they say?
Mm-hmm. And I can read their names. But I don't. Okay, look nice. I'm a member. I'm a diamond.
Okay. Oh, okay. One condition. Do your learning. I never play with you. Let's go. Quick one.
This, you know what this means? It means yes, sir.
Yes, then we can go to one. Okay. Okay.
Go down.
No, that's what we need to do. Let's say. Read it.
Like, go, have, we, be, she says
What is this?
not can us la 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 la.
Don't do that, your face. Okay, what is this? You're almost done. Le,
La. Ooh.
big sister and what?
Little.
Okay, what is this again?
Little.
Don't put that in your mouth. Take your fingers off. Okay, what is this?
Oh, this.
Okay, what is this?
This.
Okay, what is this?
Of her.
Okay, very good.
Of her.
Very good. Let's do this first. Okay.
2 plus 0 equals 2. 3. Okay, I mean 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 2 equals 4. No, we have to do this one. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Oh, we did that right?
Mm-hmm.
2 plus 5 equals 7. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 2 plus 7 equals 9. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 2 plus 9 equals 5.
Just excuse me.
Excuse me. 2 plus 9 equals 11. 2 plus 10 equals 12. 2 plus 11 equals 13.
Okay, good. So I need to play with you. Really? Seriously?
Yes.
Because you're a bunny already.
No, I remember. So that means I'm going to be like a wolf. Mom, I'm a panda. See? That's what I was before.
Oh.
I'm not a bunny. You can do your own thing and be your own name like Cutie and Lily, Kiki, Marty, Kitty, and Cutie Pie. And Cutie Pie. You want to be Cutie Pie? I hold my friend's hand. Wait. Did I just see the mirror on? I think so.
Okay.
Oh. I'm not sure. No, I'm not gamer. Huh? Wait, I think she was on a minute ago.
She did?
Mom,
Who is it?
that she changed herself.
Oh, yeah.
So I think she played in a minute ago.
Oh,
I missed her.
no, don't worry. Yeah, she's coming in 2 more days.
Okay. When she comes back, I'm going to say, I'm sorry I missed the Animal Jam. Well, you're still playing.
She's fine.
Yeah, well, you're still playing. I'm happy. I'm going to be...
Welcome to Apple Jam. Check out all of these amazing animals.
Taking a
and
trip.
choose which one.
Alright, my baby girl wants me to play with her. Mom Jam, she want me to make account video. She want to She made me a Roblox girl. Now she want me to be an animal jump.
And choose what animal you want. You can go up.
Okay, don't worry. I got this. I think I want to be a bunny because I miss bunny Yugi. I'm gonna be a Yugi.
Okay, I'm gonna be just like a member. But Mom, please, can you be a different name? There are no Yugis.
There's no Yugi here.
No, all they do is like their own name, like crazy names.
Okay, Snowflakes then. Snowflakes Golden Breed. How's that?
It's good. It's cute. It's a cute name.
Okay, I am a girl and I am 4 years old.
No, you're like yeah, you can be like my same age because you look so.
Okay.
No, you're just 11.
Okay. And then I'm gonna be Yugi. Yugi 4.
Yugi.
Yugi. Oh, Yugi 4.
Yugi 4.
There you go.
Okay,
The
now.
word of 4. Yugi 4.
And then
Oh, yeah.
Cutie Baby.
Don't worry about that. I'm not gonna give you my password. It's a secret.
Okay.
What?
Yugi 4.
No. Okay. So what do I need to do?
You have to, Mom, let the, and remember, you could try to, you could try to,
Let me download this first.
you can sleep on a pillow, is that fine? Is that fine? Is that fine? Because you're so tiny, you can sleep on a pillow. I got you a pillow. You want to be a member?
No. I don't want to be a member.
You're just downloading it? Let me know if you don't want to be a member.
I don't want to spend money for that. I am done spending money for you. That's enough.
I'm going in my bedroom. Welcome to your new home.
Okay.
My name's Pet, and I'd like to take you around. Follow me.
Okay, I'll follow you. Follow you. Where are you now? Okay.
First, you have to be my friend.
Okay, let me follow this. Let's start by customizing yours. Okay.
I'm on the phone.
This one?
No, not yet. You have to wait until she waits. You have to switch. You have to do that.
I'm to leave. Okay.
You can take that off. No, press on your bunny face.
Condition. Though you're learning, I never play with you. Okay, let's go. Which one?